We are here in the Kangpokpi district in Manipur. As you know that there are a lot of protests which are seen here because of the free movement initiative taken up by the central government. The people here have opposed that because they have stated that without discussion they are not going to accept the free movement. You can see a lot of locals here are gathered on the streets of Kangpokpi, and this is a bus which was damaged in one of the protests. The public is now here. They are trying to tie up the ropes there. They're trying to take this bus out on the main road. There is resentment here going on because of the peace free movement which was imposed, and they have stated that they are not going to accept it without discussion. And as a result of that, there is discussion ongoing right now with the civil society organizations such as the KOTU, along with the MHA officials and other central government officials. But the situation on ground remains tensed in Manipur. You can see a lot of people here have gathered, women and locals have gathered here. They are trying to push this bus back to the road, to block the road. This road blockades are ongoing here in the highway. The National Highway 2 is also blocked, and because of that there are a lot of problems happening as far as essential supplies are concerned. The public is quite angry here. You can see here they are trying to push this bus, and we are going to show you these exclusive visuals. Let's see how the bus is being pushed, and this is a very dangerous situation that this is happening here in Kangpokpi, and you can see here how the public has come out in large numbers to push this bus. This is a very sensitive situation happening in Kangpokpi, and you can see here how the bus is being pushed. You can see here, this is the situation in Kangpokpi right now, wherein the bus has been pushed, and you can see what is happening on ground here. The public is quite angry with whatever that has happened, along with the protest. This is all going here. They have totally opposed the free movement, and as a result of that they have blocked the road. We are going to speak with the public as well as to what to think. Hello ma'am. So lot of public have come out. Doing the demonstration. Why are you guys on the street? What is your cause?
Because there is still shutdown is going on.
Yeah.
We are trying to block the road now.
Okay,
Till now our dead body is also lying.
What is your demand to the government?
We need justice.
Okay, you can see here the public has come out in large numbers. They're trying to block the road because they are not supporting the free movement regime. This is exclusive visuals on ground. The people are, a lot of people here gathered here. They are quite resentful of whatever that is happening, and this shows you the intensity of the conflict or the violence that is ongoing in Manipur.
Yes.
Can you explain to us what is happening on ground? A lot of people have gathered here, and I have seen that the bus has also been pushed to here. What is the main cause that the public are out here on the streets in Kangpokpi?
Actually, that 8 March at Women's Day, we are the Meitei from the valley. They are trying to come at MST, Manipur State Transport. Yeah. They are attempting to come because they want peace, I think. Yeah, but actually it's a plan. It's a plan from them.
Yeah. You oppose the free movement.
Huh?
You oppose the free movement.
No, we don't oppose actually. But as they have killed many people, innocent people of
Right.
our community, they are trying to enter just without our permission.
Okay.
So we are trying to stop it.
Block the road.
Yeah, block it.
Okay. There you see the locals are here in large numbers. They are trying to block the road. They are trying to say that they are not going to allow entry of any vehicle or any movement in these roads because they do not support without a peace dialogue. They do not support the entry, and that is the situation on ground as we show you how the situation has escalated in Kangpokpi district right now. Presently, we are here on the National Highway 2. This is a very crucial road because it connects Manipur to the rest of the country. And you can see in front of me, hundreds of ladies are here on the main highway. They are checking the entry of cars coming into the area. You can see here a car has been thoroughly checked by the ladies and the village folk here. This is the Bongol area of the Kangpokpi district. This is a very crucial highway. It's the National Highway 2 which has been blocked. This has happened following the escalation of violence in Manipur, wherein several protests have rocked the state, wherein one person has lost his life and several people have been injured. You can see here the ladies are here on the streets. They are checking whether the cars have the proper documents and whether they are going for an essential purpose only. Other than that, everything else is blocked. You can see here the hundreds of in numbers. They are here. They are doing 24/7 duty. This is a total shutdown being imposed in the valley and heavy security deployment also. You can see here this is a BSF Jawans, security personnel are there also waiting and checking the area. This is a total shutdown imposed, and to my left you can see here how each car is being checked. This is the main highway which is the bloodline of Manipur. This entire highway has been blocked amid the prevailing situation wherein the government tried to do a free movement, wherein it has sent a public bus, but it was stopped and heavy protests escalated after that, and following which a complete shutdown has been seen in the National Highway 2. These checks are totally ongoing. These are part of the bigger checks which we have seen in Manipur. This has been done as a sign of protest that without a political dialogue, the ban will continue. We just spoke to the KOTU. They have also stated that the ban will continue, and the public here right on the streets, they are also checking these vehicles. So we are joined by the ladies who are at the forefront. They are taking out this massive volunteering because they are in the highway checking the vehicles and the cars that are passing through this highway. We are joined by lots of women here. They are on the streets. Ma'am, there has been checking going on. There is a shutdown, complete shutdown also in the Kangpokpi town and now here on the highway also. A lot of ladies are gathered here, a lot of village folks are gathered here. Why are you all present on the highway, and why are you checking the cars? What is the situation currently here?
Thank you for the question. The thing is that you had been suffering from the 3rd May of 2023. And still today we have been suffering here. And the main reason for us to gather here today, the main reason is, as you have known, the incident which has occurred on the 8th of March. Our loving brother, one of our brothers, has been shot dead, and some of our fellow women has been tortured by the Central Forces. So we want to condemn this, and then we want the central government to look into this matter. We are trying our best, and we want the world to know our sorrow.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.